Hope you guys have been doing well. So today I'm gonna just clean out a bunch of unnecessary items out of my closet, long overdue, and a little bit out of my dresser. So I'm gonna just take a lot of these clothes and I'm gonna just donate them in. Yeah, let's just get into it. So real quick, I guess I'll show the fit. Wearing just a little Nike hat, black hat. Got some gold earrings. Your boy's got your rings. I'm just wearing this like white t-shirt from Uniqlo. Wearing some Nike grape like joggers. And then I just got me some very fashionable Uniqlo slippers and some baller Hanes from Target. So that is the fresh fit today, everyone. I just got a lot of them, man. It's like a bunch of stuff that I don't even wear a lot of this stuff anymore. I just find it really hard to get rid of overcoats. So drawers over here, this is just like this pile of, I don't even know anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this old drawer. I think the only reason I haven't gotten rid of it is because I have my fish tank up here. These clothes have been washed, but I'll probably do another wash just in case. So what's super funny is how many pieces of 49er clothing I didn't know that I had in my wardrobe. A lot of it's Nike, so it's really good quality. I used to work for the Niners, so they gave me a lot of free clothes, which is super duper sweet, but some of it I think could do better now if it was donated, since I don't wear a lot of it now. So taking some advice from some other people who I've seen clean out their closets, I was asking myself some questions like, do I actually wear the item of clothing that I'm looking at? If it's not something that I wear, I probably should consider whether I want it. Also, does the piece of clothing fit me? Most of these clothes could fit me. It's just a matter of like, does it fit the way I want it to in this like time in my style? Yeah, something important too is the item comfortable to wear? If it's not comfortable, like probably not going to be sporting it. So I remember buying this shirt because it reminded me of the show Rugrats, and I don't really know what I was thinking, but it actually makes me look like Rocco the cartoon. It's not really a color palette that fits me either, so you know, if it's not something that you're excited about wearing in your wardrobe, then it's okay to consider maybe getting rid of it. As we find number 8 in my 49ers collection. So still quite a bit of stuff in here. I got 2 shelves still, but it's still pretty heavy too. But you know, for now, this is what we got rid of. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff that we could probably get rid of. And then these, I don't know, Twitch hoodie. Yeah, let me go through these really quick, and then we'll kind of get back to it. Hey, what's up, you guys? So put back some of the hangers, and I decided to get rid of everything except like one of my company hoodies. But I got rid of the Abercrombie, the 49ers, one 49ers thing, and the Twitch hoodie. So I'll be giving these over, donating. It's quite a bit of stuff, man. I need to figure out something with these hangers. I have a lot of them now, extra ones, and honestly, I think one thing I want to invest in is consistent hangers that are like not a bunch of like plastic and metal wires. So maybe like I have one of these wooden ones, and I really like it. So you know, that's probably the next thing for my investment to put money into. Now with the worst nightmare. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go clean out this guy right over here, and we'll see where we go. I think I cleaned it out maybe 6 months ago, kind of before you know, quarantine happened in March with COVID. But it's been getting pretty. Every time I do laundry, it gets pretty crowded. So let's go ahead and clean it out and see what we can get rid of. So one of my goals as I was braving the wardrobe clean out was trying to get rid of some of my old gym tank tops and bro tanks that I kind of DIY'd myself. But you know, surprise, surprise, found a couple more 49ers tops. So you know, kind of clean that as needed. This is everything that we're gonna go ahead and get rid of. We got that pair of pants. We got like a boatload of these shirts here, dude. A lot of them. So a lot of shirts. And then we got these shirts here that we'll go ahead and donate. even more of these dress shirts. A lot of hoodies, a lot of button-ups that just have these kind of weird patterns. Yeah, those are, this is trash over here, a lot of undershirts and bro tanks. I'm gonna go ahead and donate these. Hey, so finally dropped everything off, and room's a little bit cleaner, but we're getting there little by little. You know, next time, maybe in another video, man, like, we'll probably go through some of my hats. I'll take you guys through that journey. I probably got at least 30 hats. Just don't really get rid of them. Usually t-shirts are a little bit easier, but I, you know, just trying to declutter just a little bit, so. But yeah, definitely if you guys decide you want to, you know, as you bring more clothes in, sometimes it's good to consider, hey, maybe I can get rid of some clothes. If you could donate them in so they can just kind of be recycled in to other people's wardrobes. Not the most sustainable person, but at least it's one way that I look at, you know, this, you know, whatever my clothes did for me. You know, if it's in good condition and if you wash it, make sure the clothes are clean and in good condition if you're trying to donate. I would definitely not recommend, don't donate anything that's socks that have been like worn like crazy, undergarments, underwear, any like undershirts that are just like super sweaty with a bunch of pit stains. You know, sometimes it's okay, but just, you know, be mindful of like what you're actually giving away before you just like give them a bunch of trash. Yeah, so subscribe if you want to. I make videos, you know, at least once a month. Try, you know, to do one every couple of weeks. So I bring you guys along as I clean out my unused items and, you know, how I'm going to be styling the items that I do own. So, alright, y'all. Stay safe.
Maybe we could both explore this star is running.